While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Already, we're gonna check out Baditude first, and then Big Bad Villain, the original like title track. I think. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. I'm scared. Hold up. Baditude. Why Baditude? Why we Baditude about? Why we Baditude-wing? I ain't played by the rules. Okay, don't play by the rules. Hold up. Okay, we not playing by rules. Baditude? I ain't played by the rules. 오히려 부셔버려 규칙이란 단어를 넌 어리숙해 익숙해 백스캔만 네 입에 프로펠러 힘 better relax chill up a girl. Bad villain. Chicka ah. Okay, the bass go heavy on this one. And where'd they get all this grass from? Sorry. Oh, okay, get in there. Wait. Why that hit so crazy though? The like from day to night at that part. Oh, they've been saying, I thought they were saying, yeah, ho, like, never mind. But they are saying, yeah, ho. What does that mean? Ho? Ooh, the switch up is crazy. Hey, this shit will go bumping in the car. Ooh, okay. Okay, ponytail. Hey. Hey. Not the wall. What the hell was that noise? Those claps? Me when I'm on the wall in the club. Who makes the beats for them though? Who makes the beats for them? It's so interesting. The whole like they already have it on Spotify, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. They're going in though. Hey, 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 and we about to what that hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Dang. Does it say like the producer too? Bufo Babas? Well, damn. Shout out to you. Have I checked out Wavy yet? No, not yet. We're just starting. All right. Next up is gonna be Bad Villain. So without further ado, I don't know if I'm ready for this because Baditude go crazy. Who do what? Who do I think I am? I'm Dre. JRE. YouTube channel JRE came out. BVs? What? Oh my god. The whole shadow. And one of them is over 7 foot tall. Damn, hella tall. Okay, I'm taller. Well, y'all are hella young. Y'all probably have a growth spurt. She might be taller than me. It doesn't matter. Out of my mind. Oh, interesting. Let's see how this breaks down. Whoa. The piano in the back? Bad attitude. Wait. Wait, who's that? Oh. We gonna make this money like TikTok. Do people make money from TikTok? I don't make money from TikTok. Ooh. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, we got with the guns. What are we doing with that though? Who we robbing? Whoa. Interesting. It's so grand. Oh. Ooh, okay. The hair though. Ooh. Oh, what we found? Wait. Oh, that switch up. What? You ain't even gay? Mobbing with the bad girls. You ain't even gay. No pain. Whoa. Damn. They definitely... What the hell was that? Oh, those are floating rocks. They definitely have... I feel like everybody has their... I mean, everybody's attention is towards them at the moment, for sure. Woo! Again! Who knows the beat for them? The outfits too. Kind of fucking fire. Oh shit! It does feel like the out of mind type of vibe. The piano with the strings doing this. Out of my mind. Ooh. Woo. Oh my god. Bad villain.
Who do you think you are?
I mean, the concept is them being bad girls, right? Like, literally, the introduction. That's a crazy shot. That should be like low-key a poster, though, to be honest. Bro, they coming through strong. I mean, they already came through strong with their teasers, whether it be plus 82 and Hurricane. But my God, I still want that. I want a Hurricane as like something I could like play as well, because that beat was crazy too. I don't know if I like which one I like, from Bad Attitude or Bad Villain, really. Oh, they got 82 though. 82 is a nice little banger though. Woo. So they're more rap focused, no? Though they have more rappers than they have vocalists. They have dancers as well. Though they don't have they're not only just rappers, they can sing too. I'm very curious to see where this goes. Very interesting. Oh, 82 lyricist is Chloe Young, one of the members? No shot. That's kind of fire. That's really good. I always love seeing written by in Ina as well. Chloe Young, Ina, Bufu Babes. Who's Bufu Babes? Who wrote this too, actually? East West Junzo, Livy, Nalia. Okay, Villain 30. Okay. It's a lot of people. Oh, Bio. They have a lot of artists under them. I'm very curious to see where this is gonna go. Bad Villain. Definitely gonna have to check them out for the future. Let's go.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.